together this time.
See, Jay, he always, like, you usually forget, but today I forgot about
Yes,
it.
usually I do.
So every show that we do, that Jay has a special moment where he gives us our fuel and our food for the week, and it's a motivational quote, and you got one for us. So what is it?
This one is, vision without action is merely a dream. Action without vision just passes the time. And vision with action can change the world.
Wow.
Got that?
Yeah, but you can read it one more time.
One more time? One more time? Okay. Vision without action is merely a dream.
Okay.
Now, action without vision just passes the time.
Yes.
And the vision with action too can change the world.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Y'all understand? Y'all get that? Y'all feel that?
We got it.
Okay.
You
Digest
know,
it.
my mom always said, she always said, you got to have a vision. She always said
Okay,
that.
for sure.
And action too.
Yeah, because you can dream all day, but if you get up and not do nothing, then
You're just dreaming.
you just press the snooze on the alarm clock.
Right.
Oh, that was deep.
Love it. So we're acting and we're envisioning, and right now I'm envisioning a break.
Definitely.
All right. So we'll be back. One more.